It's a big day for one of the most iconic car companies in the world, Ferrari. Patricia Wu and Alan Valdes join us from the New York Stock Exchange floor with the latest. Hi, guys.
Hi, Jane. It certainly is a big day for Ferrari, and we're right in the thick of things. I'm here with Alan Valdes, senior partner of Silverbear Limited. So 15 minutes after the bell, $60 even. Strong opening?
Yeah, real strong opening, over 2 million shares. I mean, the market cap over 10 billion now with Ferrari. So it was a great trade for the Ferraris. Great for Fiat, too. Remember, Fiat walks away with about $4 billion after the spinoff, so they had a great trade this morning also. Overall, a great day for the guys behind us.
So that valuation, though, do you think it's a little too luxe? Is the demand there to support that?
Well, you know, that's what people are saying because it's trading at 35 times their earnings, so that's way over an average car company. But, you know, Ferrari is not an average car company, far from it. I mean, if you look at Ferrari, the average driver drives Ferrari less than 3,000 miles a year. Never uses his windshield wipers because they don't take it out in the rain. It's just an amazing car company. It's an amazing brand.
When you can afford a Ferrari, you have someone to drive you around. You were looking at a Ferrari, weren't you?
Just looking. I mean, they're incredible out there. Outside, we have about 8 Ferraris. Total value, $25 million.
The tight production, 7,000 cars a year, long delivery times. Can you have that kind of scarcity and high growth?
Well, you know, that's what's going to be interesting to see because that was really the split from Fiat was because of that $7,000 range, the $7,000 units. Ferrari says now they'll probably go to 10,000, but we have to see what kind of growth, but they want to raise the price as they go to 10,000 too, so it's interesting. I think they'll do well. I mean, it is still going to be a scarce car, even at 10,000. And of course, the price is there. The people that can afford a Ferrari are just going to pay it no matter what the price is, probably. So I like the company. I like the spinoff. I like it for both. I like it for Fiat also. Fiat's going to expand their brand also. So I think overall it's a win-win for everyone, except maybe the consumer is going to pay more for that Ferrari. But again, at that range, they don't care.
Speaking of paying more, that certificate of authenticity is really key to the value of the car, and that's another source of revenue for Ferrari.
That's a huge source of revenue, without a doubt. I mean, again, it's not an average car company. I mean, you don't need a certificate for my little Toyota, but here for this Ferrari, yeah, they do. There was a big problem years ago with knockoffs, so you get the certificate, and it is pretty pricey. But, you know, Ferrari also, of course, has Formula One, which they've run over 200 races, so that's a big part of their brand, too, and a big money maker for them. Of course, they got the Ferrari clothes, a little less down there, but overall, it's a great brand.
The most winning manufacturer in Formula One for Ferrari. So how much is the cheapest Ferrari, like 200K?
Oh yeah, I think it's actually 250,000 right now is the cheapest one out there. But overall, I mean, the demand, there's a deal on Park Avenue here in Manhattan. They have a couple of Ferraris in the showroom, but you can't even go in and buy one. You can look at them, but it takes about, I think, a year and a half, 2 years to actually order and get delivery of your little Ferrari.
So I guess you and I and 10 friends, we could all share one Ferrari. What color do you want it to be?
Oh, it's got to be red.
All right, Jane, you heard it. Alan and I, we're going to get a red one. What are you getting?
Red, of course. Is there any other color of Ferrari? Thank you so much, Patricia and Alan.